This is me. Mine. This is Samsung digital inverter, auto dispense washer. That's their drawer. You can put their fabric conditioner, by softener, and detergent. And you can pour the softener here, conditioner. And that way it's pre-wash. You push this power button to turn it on. You press it. You can't hold it. See, the washing machine is now started. You can add program whether you not want. This is what you needed. I'm gonna make a diagnostic mode to auto detergent and water plus. We can press spin. That for this used for a spin cycle. Let's put it to no spin with 1 minute. You can press this start pause. This 1 minute, that it's a draining water. You can press this button. See, the water still happen. And it's 17 kilogram and /9 kilograms. That's weird. So it happened and now it's finished. Do you like that song? That's beautiful. It's 10-year warranty. That's weird. It has a spin brake. It has a spin brake. Let's add it to spin cycle by pushing that power button. Let's add it to wool. Let's put it to spin cycle. Let's see how drum is moving. Let's see how more energy is. So 9 minutes over and drum is moving. Yeah, that's your program, what you need. Look over there. This is what you need for filter. When you got arrow code. Arrow code, that 4E arrow, that means water is not answering. Ooh, stop it, stop it, stop it. Wow, it's so beautiful. Now we're back at the tumble dryer. Which is called Becco. Which we take the dryer called Becco. Becco dryer, and another light. There's a dryer. I called it Beko. Beko, but Beko dryer. This is what you needed that for. This is what you needed that. It's 7 kilos. I forgot to close it up if I did not touch it.